Okay, you're about to see one of my most judgmental videos because I don't understand this whole Fuji X100V hype. I look at Fuji shooters, why are you such a follower? It's just like this weird cult. They're dumb enough to just follow trends. They're dumb enough to overpay, and they're actually going to pay substantially more for a camera over 2 years old. So I thought, why don't I join them? Why don't I be the hypocrite? 1 week with this baby and I'm in love, and I kind of get it. And this is really, I'm just gonna say this is my first Fuji camera. Okay, I think I'll take this. Oh, yeah. But I'm gonna tell you why I spent a lot and what's happening in my life and what I bought and the accessories. So this is my story, and I really hope that the Fuji community, it is a little cultish, let's just be honest about that, but I hope that they accept me. Okay, so I bought one, and I was like, thank you. He's like, no problem. I'm like, aren't we supposed to say thank you when someone buys something? Ooh, look at the sky though. Customer service? But I got it. I overpaid. It's kind of like a Valentine's Day gift to myself. Like, I drank the punch, and I'm gonna keep drinking it. The main reason why I got it is because my mom and my dad, and they're aging. Nobody likes their parents aging and watching them slow down and watching them have more health conditions and everything. I'm watching my parents age, and it scares the hell out of me. I toss and turn at night over it. My brother and sister help out a lot, but I think I'm the most attentive. I put security cameras in their home and all that so that my dad doesn't climb on a ladder. So I'd be like, no, no, please get down. And I watch over them. The roles have reversed. If you don't have aging parents, you will one day. And they should be so lucky to live that long, but it still sucks. Because I think that parents are your instruction manual for life. And so the idea of losing somebody that you love that much and they love you unconditionally, and losing your instruction manual on how to live. And so I want to document everything. I know that I have my iPhone, and I know that I have this big camera that I'm filming with right now, but I don't want to walk around with my big camera and I just want to be a fly on the wall, and I don't want to work. I found myself even downloading, I got them the Ring camera for their front door, and I'll get that notification, and I'll download those 10-second clips. Creepy today, sweet in the future. Having like 10-second conversations, and I'm collecting those. And I thought, who cares? Money's gonna come, money's gonna go, and if I have the opportunity to spend, and if I have the disposable income to spend it, F it. Like, why are you waiting to see if Fuji releases a new version so you can say, oh, I didn't get screwed by Fuji? Why wait to see if someone sells it one day for like 150 bucks cheaper? I want to document my family. I want to document my life, my friends, beautiful things I see in life, like the way I used to. So these are the accessories that I got, and the first thing that everyone told me to get was the thumb grip. The thumb grip is everything because it lets you hold the camera one-handed and you don't have to worry as much. Whereas normally I don't want to hold it like this. It isn't, you know, it's not a huge camera. So the thumb grip was one. Sometimes it will slide out and you just gotta push it back in. Not a big deal. The other thing that I would highly recommend is the acrylic screen on the back. So just to give it some protection, I did get the pack. Everything I'm gonna link you guys in the show notes, but this is a 3-pack. Sometimes they do crack, so you have backup on it, or sometimes you just get bubbles and you go crazy. I purchased the shutter button. I wasn't a fan of it. It kept unscrewing. So I returned that one, and also I was looking for something green. Green is my favorite color, and I think that this is enough, because what I'm trying to do also is make sure that my camera isn't growing this way from the front, and also now this way. I think I'm gonna skip out on this one. And I live in Los Angeles, I don't exactly live in a wet environment, so this should be okay. As far as accessories for the cap, I got one, I returned it, and then I got this one. See, the original cap that I got, it was round, and it went out, it protruded out a little bit, so it was blocking the flash. So when you take a picture, this part is great, and then it becomes just darker down below, and I just didn't like that. Plus, there's something about this square or rectangular hood that I do like, because I have resorted to just following the rest of Fuji. Here's the thing about Fuji shooters, is I just think that they're... You ever remember in high school, there were people that were just naturally cool and they weren't trying hard, and they were just cool about it. I did copy a lot of Fuji shooters, and I've been watching a lot of your channels if you guys are posting, just to make sure I got it. This one I really do love because you get to screw it on, screw it off. It's definitely there. The round one clicked on, and in your bag or something, it's not the best. I think I'm going to stop with my accessories. I'm just looking for a strap, so if you guys recommend, because I'm not in love with this Fuji one that comes with it. Other than that, it's such a good camera. I'm in love with it. I'm actually photographing more. My cousin had his birthday party, just putting this around your neck and just taking photos. Boom, boom, boom. And they're not the best. Like, not everyone came out their best. But I realized I didn't care about it in the past, so why care about it now? To me, it's about the memories and imperfections. I am not going to remember my family and my friends through filters and Photoshop. I want to remember them as they are. Those are the people I love, those are people I choose to love, and I want to capture them. With a smaller camera, you're less likely to stop me. With a smaller camera that I can just, you know, street style photography, just look down and then just get people's reactions. To me, that just means getting aunts and uncles and cousins and parents and siblings and nieces, getting them in real life. That, to me, I'll treasure that for the rest of my life. So the $600, $700, $800 I overpaid for this, I don't care, and that's why I got it. And I need to learn how to shoot again without running it through Lightroom and Photoshop. Shoot because it doesn't have a marketing campaign behind it, or it's not gonna be on a billboard, which I'm very thankful for. But shoot because you saw beautiful oranges on a tree against dark, gloomy skies. Shoot because your cousins that you say annoy you, you love them to death and you wanna capture them. I hope that that explains why I joined the cult of Fuji. And it's a cult that I'm happy to support and to be a part of. So I hope they do accept me. Should you get one, if you have extra income, get one, because life flies by. Check out these videos. I think you might enjoy them. And if you landed on my channel for the first time, I'm Walid. Socials are down below. I would love to see you again. Yeah, you can subscribe, you can not. I'd love to see you again.